वेलकम बैक टू RS एसोसिएट्स। आज हम आपको एक बिल्डर फ्लोर दिखाएंगे जो द्वारका सेक्टर 12 में लोकेटेड है। आज की हमारी प्रॉपर्टी एक 4 BHK बिल्डर फ्लोर है जो द्वारका में सिचुएटेड है। Situated at a prime location of Dwarka, the property is well furnished and has a modern looking elevation. Its prime location places it at a walking distance from Dwarka Sector 12 metro station, City Centre Mall, nearby departmental stores, various schools and hospitals, and a lot more. इस बिल्डिंग की एलिवेशन बहुत ही मॉडर्न लुकिंग और प्रैक्टिकल रखी गई है। इट हैज़ अ सिक्योर्ड पार्किंग एज वेल। इस प्रॉपर्टी की लोकेशन और एलिवेशन इसे द्वारका की एक प्राइम प्रॉपर्टी बनाता है। राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग यू विल फाइंड अ पार्क विच इज परफेक्ट व्यू फ्रॉम योर balcony as well as a perfect open space for your morning and evening walks. Now let's see the property from the inside. This is the floor plan of the apartment. अब चाहे तो इस इमेज का आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं for further reference. The apartment has a wide and spacious foyer which speaks of luxury. This is the living area. It is spacious enough for dining as well as for all your family gatherings. The attached balcony ensures proper sunlight and ventilation for your family. चलिए अब आपको बेडरूम की तरफ ले चलते हैं। It comes with a false ceiling and modern interiors including cupboards to store all your valuables. बाथरूम में प्रीमियम फिक्सचर्स एंड फिटिंग्स का खास ध्यान रखा गया है। Also, an attached balcony with glass panel door gives a luxury look and feel. The second bedroom is the most spacious one. इस बेडरूम में भी एक अटैच्ड बाथरूम दिया गया है। Premium fittings and fixtures and high quality marble has been used in the toilet. It is well lit and ventilated. Just outside the second bedroom, you will find a common bathroom which also comes with a glass shower cabinet. Let's take you to the third bedroom. This also has a closet attached to it. With modern interiors, this room is just so pleasing. With cabinets and cupboards, the room is well equipped. The apartment has an open kitchen with all the modern equipments. It comes attached with chimney and a hob. It also has an attached window which keeps the house ventilated to the fullest. Ventilation और open areas का खास ध्यान रखा गया है इस अपार्टमेंट में. Every room has at least one window or a balcony. ये इस अपार्टमेंट का सबसे स्पेशियस रूम है. It can easily be termed as the master bedroom. Wooden cupboards give an extra note of luxury. All the rooms have an air conditioner attached. The bathroom has luxurious features with beautiful cabinets and a glass shower. लोकेलिटी के मामले में इस बिल्डर फ्लोर का कोई मुकाबला नहीं है. Dwarka's all the major malls, hospitals, markets, gyms and much more are at a walking distance from the builder floor. For more details, call us on 9910-429-900 today and we'll be happy to assist you.
Love the video? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from RS Associates. We'll see you next time.